Hey folks, I've got a baritone to show you today. This uke is for Perry Stauffer from Starlight Ukes in Portland. Plays with Danny Joy. They gave me some chunks of furniture that was actually made of mango wood a couple years ago. They were like side tables that were literally just like a part of a tree trunk. And I recognized it was mango. So I cut it up into ukuleles and some really nice stuff. So the plan was always to get Perry an instrument made from that wood. And mango is a wood that's used in ukes. It's a medium density tropical wood. It does grow in Hawaii as well as other places in the Pacific. And it has a good mid-range sound that's not unlike koa and mahogany. I like the kind of, it's got a certain sweet resonance to it that I really like. Very long, sustained. Yeah, so you can see all the curl in this one too. Very colorful. It's nice wood. And then, all the trim and fretboard and headplate on this are walnut. Just a local walnut tree. And then the neck is salvage mahogany and walnut, so it all matches. Perry wanted a 1.5-inch nut, which is fine. And then I know he plays guitar and bass mainly, so I made sure that the neck has some heft to it so it feels comfortable to him. And it's strung low D, G, B, E. There's a tiny little detail here. There's a pistachio rosette that you'll only ever see if you come up close. It's kind of a secret. So yeah, it's got a long sustain. It's mellow, but it's got some brightness to it. Yeah, it's just mango's nice. And I love using salvage wood. Turn nothing into something. So that is number 979 for Perry. Cheers.